Landcare is not just about planting trees, it's about caring for the people, and it's about caring for landscapes and the viability into the future. Because of the geographical size of the southeast region, our job is to build capacity to help support those district networks to do the good work that they do on the ground. I'm really proud that we've worked really hard to develop this regional community of practice. We've had regional gatherings and Landcare musters. I see a real strength in the way that we bring everyone together and enable everyone to share and learn from each other.
If we're going to have effective approaches to tackling environmental issues, we need widespread community engagement. So it's an incredibly powerful model when you have local coordination of activities supported within a framework that's more regional.
Landcare has this great network of membership and volunteers and a different kind of reach because they are grassroots. So that network that they establish across the southeast is really vital for us.
We work in collaboration with local land services and the koala strategy to help support landholders with koala conservation. And we also work with the community to deliver koala survey through the bioacoustic survey technique. We've got Landcare groups undertaking their own surveys, and all of this information can go together and provide evidence of koala presence. We've found that koalas are spread throughout the southern tablelands.
Climate-ready revegetation is responding to the urgent challenges presented by climate change. We draw on local climate projections for our area, and then we can use that to look at what plants, what species are likely to survive.
We do lots of revegetation work in the Yass area. The thing that motivates us is the survival of native vegetation. I think our opportunity now is sharing what we know and helping out where we can, and that's what Landcare is all about.
The work that Yan are doing with their Climate Ready Reveg is really innovative and forward-thinking and will support ecosystems and communities for the future.
It took this erosion control project to put in strategic dams that finally worked, finally stopped the erosion happening at all. We know that being here and contributing to the Landcare Group, we've seen a transformation across so many neighbours and a connectivity for the biodiversity that we love. With our Landcare Group, connecting with neighbours, connecting as a community, as a group, we've formed a powerful voice.
The project is about people working together at the local level to try and reduce environmental impacts at the regional level.
This is a legacy for future generations that we can hopefully see these improvements, not only in the paddock, but all the way down to the river systems themselves.
Landcare is full of amazing people doing the thing that they love to do in their patch. And the joy of Landcare is getting to know those individuals.
Southeast Local Leaders program is about valuing people. We have really seen a monumental change and shift through the participants that have been involved in this program.
If you empower people to be leaders and give them some skills, that's good for the community in every walk of life.
It's coming together as one as well. It's closing the gap. That's a powerful message there, because that's what we need more, in our communities.
We're investing in training leaders in our own communities. It is really important to put people at the heart of thriving landscapes.
I can say we've transformed kilometres of river frontage now, and we're seeing bird life we never had before. We're seeing platypus, which we haven't been seen in these areas for 30, 40 years. I think Landcare has a really important role, not only for the benefits of Landcare itself, but for educating the public as to the value of looking after the environment.
Just a wonderful story of restoring an ecosystem, taking a step back and just seeing the big picture of a relationship with each other and with the environment and just how important that is.